First off, we'll have BWX Technologies, our lanyard sponsor, as well as The Ohio State University come up, and they have a special announcement that they'd like to put forth to you all. So I'd like to introduce Kristen Van Zee from The Ohio State University. Kristen?
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you to the AAS, NASA Glenn, and the conference organizers for this opportunity. Today, we are pleased to announce a strategic research and development alliance between BWX Technologies and the Ohio State University in support of NASA's goals for development of nuclear thermal propulsion in spaceflight. As you are well aware, sustainable human and robotic exploration of space beyond low Earth orbit is challenged by factors of energy and time. Chemical rockets have provided exceptional capability for humanity's first voyages with people and machines to destinations beyond Earth. However, even in the best of cases, their performance is limited. New Horizons, for example, even with the Jupiter flyby, took 9 years to reach Pluto. If we are to go further into space and go substantially, we need to develop new systems to deliver people and hardware faster and with more energy. The development of nuclear thermal propulsion, as articulated by both the Vice President and Congress, is a key technology that BWX Technologies and The Ohio State University have embarked upon together to help NASA and the United States explore further and fulfill important exploration requirements in the national interest. To share more about this today, I'm pleased to introduce from The Ohio State University, Dr. David B. Williams, Dean of the College of Engineering, and from BWX Technologies, Dr. Jonathan Certain, President of Advanced Technology Programs.
Thank you, Kristen. The Ohio State University is the obvious partner for BWXT. Let me give you 3 reasons. First of all, we are in the top 3 universities in the nation when it comes to research work funded by industry, especially for complex problems in the national interest. We know how to do this. Second, Ohio State, both as a university and our specific leadership team, have decades of experience in working with NASA and for NASA on specific challenges, opportunities, and programs in both human spaceflight and robotic space exploration. And third, Ohio State has unique and compelling relationships with both NASA Marshall and NASA Glenn, the 2 centers responsible for nuclear power and propulsion developments, respectively, within the agency. So our alliance today with BWXT focuses the key strengths of their company and our College of Engineering in addressing an essential propulsion and energy technology for future spaceflight. Furthermore, we bring a blend of significant space policy and public sector executive leadership to this challenge, because the path to operational NTP spaceflight in the US is far more than just a technical problem. So our technical expertise will be fortified by the Battelle Center for Science, Engineering, and Public Policy, located in, where else, the John Glenn College of Public Affairs, with whom the College of Engineering partners in many strategic initiatives. As Kristen just noted, the importance of NTP technology and its role in fortifying the national interests was highlighted by the Vice President at the recent Space Council meeting, and also has been instantiated in law by Congress with an appropriation of over $200 million specifically for an NTP mission. At Ohio State specifically, we combine in a unique way nuclear engineering, mechanical engineering, and aerospace engineering. They're all in the same department. We have the largest material science and engineering program in the nation, and we are partners in 5 of the national network for manufacturing innovation centers across the nation. And we have the only accredited materials joining master's and PhD programs in the nation. So you put all of that together with the fact that we are one of only 6 universities comprising the DOE's Idaho National Lab, National University Consortium, and you can see why, as I said at the start, we are the obvious partner for BWXT in this particular process. Lastly, for those of you who are going to come to visit our campus, if you haven't been so already, for those of you with students at our campus, for those of you who will have students in our campus, please be reassured that this program will not engage with any new nuclear materials. So we will be as safe as we always are for everybody who comes to our campus, except, of course, for football players from the University of Michigan. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. I'll be brief because I don't want to impede your progress towards the reception, but BWXT is extremely excited about this partnership with The Ohio State University. We've been working with our colleagues at OSU for over 2 years now, developing not only the technologies necessary for in-space nuclear, but also the next generation workforce. I think for us, the engagement of our staff with the students and faculty at Ohio State is of paramount importance, and formalizing this relationship helps us expand and extend the collaboration between us and this prestigious university. So in a variety of different technical forums, we are engaging The Ohio State University. We're also sponsoring internships and students through their educational experience with our own funding to make sure that we have the access to faculty and staff necessary for us to be successful moving forward. So thank you to Dr. Williams for his kind words, and thank you for paying attention to us this morning or this afternoon while we announce a pretty important collaboration between our two institutions. So thank you very much.